lot of agents and brokers have been asking for this integration for a long time. LionDesk to Google Sheets. It allows you to keep all those contacts, your entire business, and have them synced to a Google Sheet, so you have complete control of those contacts. You can send them to a virtual assistant or a marketing assistant, and you don't have to give them the login to your LionDesk. They can still access those contacts. You can also power up an awesome Google Data Studio dashboard. Google has an awesome free app that you can power up using a bunch of different data sources, including Google Sheets. So all the info you have in LionDesk from the business you're doing can be synced into a Google Sheet and then broken down into these beautiful dashboards. You can share it with the rest of your team, make it fun, gamify it, make sure everybody knows exactly how things are going. We have this one. We also did this one where we plugged in some of our YouTube stats, and you can kind of blend the data from a bunch of different sources. Here's our website traffic coming from Google Analytics. Here's our YouTube Analytics, obviously. You can also add stuff from the other apps we sync to Google Sheets, like Brokerman, Loop, any of those great apps. So let me show you how to set this up. It's super easy to start syncing LionDesk to Google Sheets. You can just go to liondesk.com/marketplace. And that is your one-stop shop for the features, the services, and integrations for LionDesk. They're all going to be in here. Here's the ones that API Nation has created. This is Google Sheets, that's what we're talking about today. So we're going to click that and get us set up. And creating these integrations through API Nation, we aim to make it as easy as possible. It should just take a second. So I'm just going to connect LionDesk. Step 1. Great, signed into LionDesk, and now it's connected to API Nation. Now I'm going to connect Google Sheets. Same thing, I'm just going to sign in. Awesome, and here we go. This is it. We are now ready to start sending all the people from LionDesk into a Google Sheet, and then we can gain those awesome insights you can only get from a spreadsheet. You can share all those contacts with an assistant, a marketing assistant, a virtual assistant, and not have to give them the keys to your LionDesk, your business that you've built for the last few years. You can just give them a key to a Google Sheet. A little less risky. So here we go. A few options. You can send over people who are only tagged with a specific thing. So if maybe you want to build a special spreadsheet for this marketing assistant, you can go through and create a tag in LionDesk, marketing assistant, and then have all those people sent to this Google Sheet, which is kind of nice if you have a special list. You want to create a special list of people for that assistant to follow up with. There's also an option to sync Google Sheets to LionDesk. So if you are getting started with something and you want all those contacts sent into LionDesk, you can do that also. This time we're just going to sync LionDesk to Google Sheets. There we go. It's all set, ready to go. Spreadsheet name is going to be LionDesk Contacts, and hit go. And there it is. This workflow is up and running. And if you hop over to Google Sheets, you'll see all that information is getting populated into this spreadsheet. All these fields that you have in LionDesk filled out for your contacts will also be added into your Google Sheet. Then you just hop over here to Google Data Studio and create a new report, a new dashboard using that Google Sheet. Create those charts, graphs, attractive information for your entire team to stay up to date on how the business is doing. So there you go. Now all your contacts are being synced over to Google Sheets. Or like I said, you could just tag a few of them and have a special sheet created to share with an assistant or a marketing assistant. But it's great to have all these contacts synced, up to date, all your business ready to go in a super easy Google Sheet. If you have any questions, ideas, thoughts, shoot us an email, give us a phone call. We're API Nation, connecting the world's applications. We love doing this stuff.